Hey guys, so in this video I would like to show you how you can install a SQL Server on Linux EC2 instance. So the reason why I am making this video is because I was trying to install the SQL Server on this EC2 instance, and it should have been pretty much straightforward. It should have been yum update and yum install. That should have been it. However, I somehow got stuck, not realizing what was going on until I Google and then found the solution um, to that. So let me just show you what I mean by that. Okay, so normally when you do this sudo, let's say sudo yum update. So this is how you normally do it. You update it first, just say yes, and then you install. Okay, so that's how you normally do it, but it comes up with the error. There's nothing to do, load a plugin. So no package for MS SQL Server is available. So I was, you know, thinking, what did I do? What was going on? I did the updates and everything should have been, showing up. But yeah, I came across this solution online, and I couldn't remember the link anymore. I grabbed the commands, but I forgot to grab the links. But anyway, I appreciate whoever came up with that solution. I thank him for that. So basically, this is the command that you have to use if you come across this solution. Oh yeah, and another thing, so it normally happen when you are using this Amazon Linux 2 AMI. Okay, that is because it doesn't have the default repo in place already. So that is why you have to use this way, which I will show you, to get the SQL Server installed. Right? I know there are other ways you can install SQL Server. Like for example, if you scroll down a bit, you can use Amazon RTS. You know, you can install SQL Server. There are other installers that you can use, or other images that you can use. There are images in the marketplace, community AMIs you can use. But yeah, if you're using this Linux 2 AMI, and if you come across this, this is a solution for that. All right, so I've already let me just get it. Okay, download it straight away. So yes, it's just going to install one package. Complete. And I will install the SQL community server. It says it will install 3 packages and 3 dependent packages. It's fine with me because this is the test AMI. So I will just say yes. So yes. Just give it a little bit. All right, it's completed installing the community server. So what I'll have to do now, I have to start the SQL Server, sudo. Okay, that's fine. And let me just see if it is working now. And you can see it is SQL services active and running. So that is basically it. That's what I wanted to show. If you come across uh, the error that I had before, especially when you're using different EMIs, Amazon EMIs, okay, this is a solution to that. And I will put the comments in the descriptions. And thanks to whoever um, that came up with the solution. All right. Yep. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.